How to show what game you're playing on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and log into your account. After you log into your account, at the bottom left, click on the gear icon. Here, it will open settings. Now on the left side, scroll down and click on activity privacy. After you click on it, turn on show my activity or share my activity. Then, again on left side, scroll upwards and click on connections. Here, add the game you're playing. After you've added the game you're playing and you've logged into your account, on the left side, scroll upwards again and click on content and social. After you click on content and social, click on connected games. Here you'll find the games you connected to. You can simply turn it on. After you do this, the activity will share in your account. And this is how to show what game you're playing on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.